Good afternoon, this is Colton with Renovation. We're here today, we're doing a change order for one of our clients. They decided they wanted to change out their gutters with 6-inch. And if you look up there in some of the peaks, we found a little bit of wood rot on some of the fascia. It's definitely a good idea if you ever come into this problem that definitely you just want to replace that. You never want to cover up your fascia with nice money that you spent on your gutters. You don't want to replace something with wood rot that is just going to be a problem down the line. So you definitely want to change that out with PVC, definitely PVC fascia. And we're also putting on new gutter guards on these gutters to, there's a lot of pine trees and leaves in this area, so it's always good to have gutter guards on your gutters to protect that as well. Beautiful day in Cary.